Hi, and welcome to this quick demo of Treecell. Treecell is a software for Windows, macOS, and Linux that helps you to see an Excel sheet in a hierarchy way, so in a tree form way. So here I have an Excel sheet as example, so let's open it. Then you get a menu where you can decide which sheet you want to see in the spreadsheet. And then you can decide which column in which order. So let's say I want to put first region, then the item, and let's say I don't want to see the order date. And then I'll click OK. Then you'll see the sheet with the cell orders, which is the name of the sheet. Then you'll see indeed the region. So now instead of having different regions, now it's sorted with region first. Then I can open just the Eastern region. Then I can decide only the binder inside the East region, and then I can see. So I can also expand all inside the binder, and then you'll see the price and so on. Or I can decide just to see this. So in this case, I'm just removing the rest. So I can show everything back again here. And then you have other things like very options to show part of it, or for example to find some statistics about some specific categories. That's so you don't have to show the entire sheet and can directly go to a specific part of the sheet. So thank you for watching.